Hello, this is Professor Dan. I want to again welcome you to MM207 Statistics at Kaplan University. The first thing I want to address is the three textbooks that you got in the mail. A common question that I have from students is that which textbook am I supposed to use? Do I have to use all three of them? The answer is no. You have one main textbook, and then the other two textbooks are just used as supplements. The textbook that you see on the left-hand side is your textbook that you will be using. That's the one that you need to be reading along with in each unit. It's called Elementary Statistics, Picturing the World by Larson and Farber. And at the end of each section, you do have the practice problems that you can work through. The second book that you receive is the orange book. It's entitled Student Solutions Manual. These have the answers and solutions for the odd problems of those homework problems at the end of each section. So that's a good supplemental tool as you're practicing the problems. And then the third book, the one that you see on the right, is the Technology Manual. And this is also optional. It's a supplement. And what this contains, it has three main different sections. It's got a tutorial to show you how to use Excel, Minitab, and a graphing calculator such as a TI-83. And it is good to read through if you have access to either of those three, but again, not required. In this class and seminars, I am going to be placing an emphasis on Excel, so reading through that Excel section would be beneficial if you're unfamiliar with Excel. In addition, in the textbook, at the end of the book, you will see a CD insert. You will not need this CD, but it does contain Minitab. So if you're interested in learning Minitab, you can use that for graphing that we'll be using in Unit 2. You can pop that into your computer and check it out, but again, not anything that's required. And also, I have gotten a couple of emails from students indicating that you have not received your textbook in the mail yet, and that is okay too, because we have access to an online textbook. If you log into the classroom and if you scroll down to Unit 1, click on Unit 1, and the online textbook is found under MML Ungraded Tutorial. If you click on the MML Ungraded Tutorial, you should see the 1.1 multimedia textbook. Click on that, and it will take you to a new screen, and it is the exact copy of the textbook. It might take it a few seconds to download, but once it actually goes through that download process, it's pretty quick after that. And so this is page 4 of the textbook, exactly what you would be reading if you had the actual textbook in your hands. At the top, you can scroll through the pages, and again, each page takes a little bit of time to download. If this is your first time accessing it. After that, it should become faster. So you can go through the reading on your computer if you don't want to lug around the big textbook around everywhere you go. You have access to this on your computer.